fight review. Today I only used the lever action shotgun and I forgot to upgrade it, and so I only used the green version. I might be better than Justin, who knows, opinions. Justin versus me. I don't know, but enjoy the video. Where's he coming from? There's too many of them.
This guy wants
Yes, I harpooned him.
Get him, Casey.
I don't know what you're talking about. Let's say
Classy, bougie,
oh,
ratchet.
crapped on, no earning. Hey, shake him down, shake him down. More.
Bruh.
Like your dog water kid, like I'm more kills than you, like your dog water.
Right? I can literally clip you and
A few moments later.
Guard, don't let him
Why
run.
are you running? Why are you running?
Where do you think you're going?
Y'all guys die to a noob. Y'all guys are dog water.
bro, be
Bro,
quiet.
you die all the
That's
time.
why
I don't know
you're
why
not
you're
with
talking.
Bruh. Look at this dude.
Sliver action.
Knocked one. Hey, I'm gonna shake him down.
Like that.
Oh! I don't even need to shake him down because I know where his teammate is.
Just shake him down for the E.X.E. That's what I do. I had 5.
Yes! I finally got a win!